Hello, good morning students. Today we'll study Tannemycus indicus, that is the pest of wheat. It is a weevil which attacks the wheat fields. Tannemycus indicus, it belongs to family Curculonidae. It is broad-nosed weevil. The classification, it includes kingdom Animalia, phylum Arthropoda, class Insecta, order Coleoptera because it is a beetle, family Curculonidae, and genus Tannemycus, species Indicus. It is also known as Gujia weevil. It causes great concern in Uttar Pradesh. In recent years, it has been reported in Punjab, Madhya Pradesh, Assam, Bengal, Tamil Nadu, and Maharashtra. The host range, it includes the germinating rabi crops like wheat, barley, gram, mustard. So it is polyphagous. Damage. The insect damaged the roots of the wheat plant both during larval and adult stages. Only adults feed on the leaf and tender shoot of the host plant. They cut the germinating seedlings at the ground level. Often the crop is re-sown. The damage is particularly serious during October to November when the rabi crops are germinating. It is polyphagous pest attacking wheat, barley, gram, pea, poppy, maize, rice, etc. Its severe epidemic nature has often resulting in re-sowing of various, this is very important point, re-sowing of various crops. Complete damage is caused by Gujia weevil. So weevils are earthen grey, measures about 6 to 8 mm in length and 2.4 mm in width. Their forewings are oblong and hind wings are more or less triangular, but they cannot fly. The pest is active from June to December and undergo larval or pupal diapause during rest of the year in the soil. Weevils emerging in June mature sexually in October. They mate frequently and lay 6 to 76 eggs in 5 to 11 installments in the soil, under clouds, or in crevices in the ground. The eggs are whitish, oval, compressed in appearance. Egg period is 6 to 7 weeks. The young grubs enter the soil. It is whitish in color with blackish head. The body is smooth and flabby. Grub period is 10 to 18 weeks and pupate in adherent chambers at the depth of 15 to 60 centimeters. Pupa is initially grayish in color. Later it becomes darker as the development proceeds. The pupal stage lasts for 7 to 9 weeks and the adults emerge next year in June or July. The pest has only one generation in a year. Such a long lifespan is there. So adult weevil, both male and female, in June and July. They lay eggs in October, November. Eggs they will mature to form they will hatch to form the larva. The period is 20 to 50 days. Larva will pupate in March to April and the time period is 90 days. Pupa will form the adult in 50 to 60 days. So in whole 1 year the life cycle is completed in Tannemycus indus. So see here, this is the adult, larva, pupa, both male and female. Control measures: dust carbaryl or malathion at 25 kg per hectare. Treatment of soil with persistent insecticide should be made. At the time of sowing, application of Eldrin, hextacor or chlorodane dust at a rate of 20 kg per hectare are useful to protect the crop. The crop should be dusted with 5% BHC at a rate of 15 to 20 kg per hectare when the adult fever can be seen. So our sincere thanks to www.google.com for providing us beautiful pics so that we can explain our topic.